G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Pete's Gold Adventures. Today we've headed back down to Castlemaine again. More specifically, we're down at CHEWTON. Today I've sort of stopped in at the Garfield Waterwheel. Yeah, it's a pretty significant structure back in the day. So this is the foundations, this is all that remains of it. They were erected by the Garfield, to service the Garfield mine that was situated here. I think it was the Forest Creek Quartz Crushing Company that had it. But yeah, so this is the foundations. The wheel that was inside it was actually 22 meters tall. From where I was standing at the start there, I've actually got a photo of it from when it was originally built. Yeah, no, it's a pretty significant structure. You can sort of see the size of the cutouts in the side, so you can sort of get a bit of a sizing of the actual wheel that was inside. But no, it's quite significant. So I thought we'd pop down, have a bit of a look. Alright guys, we're going to now sort of take off and yeah, hopefully go find some gold. Cheers guys, catch us later. Welcome back guys. Well, we've made our way out to CHEWTON, to the spot we're going to prospect for the day. Been here about half an hour. Haven't found anything. It's been mostly just ground noises, so I sort of got some sort of semi-strong signal here, but yeah, before we even had the detectors out of the car, my mate Andrew's out here with us today, and he actually picked a piece up with his monster right in front of the car where we parked. So it's only tiny, but it's still gold, so it's a great effort. So I'll give you a listen to this one. It sounds a bit too strong to be ground noise, so we'll give it a dig and see what we come up with. Not much left in the hands, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's dropped under the coil. Rust. Just a little tiny bit, but yeah. So this is a pretty heavily hit up area, but obviously it's still a bit of rust here, so still could be gold. Alright guys, I'll keep moving around, see what we come up with. Alrighty guys, we had a little bit of a signal just up against the bottom of this little tree. I did just dig up a hot rock, so hopefully this is not one. It's a little bit stronger than a hot rock, so hopefully it's something better. So it's just this bit of shale. Obviously got a bit of mineralisation going on, so yeah, actually gave off the signal. Definitely not gold. Hey, welcome back guys. Got a pretty decent sounding signal here. Actually sounds pretty good. So hopefully it stays on the ground. It's not lead. It'll be on, I reckon. Just gotta stay on the ground a little bit longer. Good, promising. It's amped up a bit, so that's probably out by now. Well, it sounds pretty good. So it's either leather gold, I'd imagine. size of lead, but it's not, it's gold. There you go. Oh my god, it's small. It's tiny. It's just tiny, guys, but there it is there. Tiny little ball of gold. I actually thought it was lead when I got it out, because it's the size of lead. There you go, we're on the board. It's probably a little 0.1 at best, but yeah, it's gold, so cool. Excellent. Alright, I'll keep moving around this little immediate area, so it's got any little friends. Welcome back, guys. Alrighty, we've got another little target here, hopefully. It's a target, not a hot rock. There's been a few angry hot rocks. Give it a bit of a scrape, hopefully it stays in the ground. Sounds good at the moment. It's not too offensive. Well, not so good. It's already out of the ground. A little bit of quartz going in, so. As you can see, it's not very loud. It's on the coil. See what we got. Whatever it is, it's really quite small. And there we go, it's a little spicy. Cool. I'll just give it a little clean up. There we go, that's a little bright one. There we go, just a little spicy. I don't know what it is. It's probably less than 0.1. It's not real loud, so cool. Nice little bright one. There we go. Cool. Alright, guys. I'm sort of probably about 3 meters from where I found the last one. So I'll sort of pan around. So this one was just sort of here. The other one was just over there, that little bush. See there, just on that little bush. So only a couple of meters away. So, good day too. You see, we're up nice and high in the hills of CHEWTON. See up over there, around behind me. That's why I'm sort of here. I'll take us up there later. But yeah, the giant open cut mine where they've sort of taken the reef out across the ridge. Go on. Alrighty guys, catch you soon. Hey guys, well this is a portion of the ridgeline the old timers had dug. They've got like a few shafts that are just dropping around the place. Yeah, this is only a portion of it. It just keeps going on up and up through here. Yeah, but periodically along the way they've put these shafts down. A little bit of a look around, but yeah. These ones aren't too bad. Yeah, there's a couple up there that are really deep. Yeah, this just keeps continuing on up over the... hill there and down the other side. Alrighty, might jump back on the detector and see if I can get another bit of gold before the end of the day. Alrighty, welcome back guys. Got a target here. Funny thing is, I actually came through this way. Hear it now. Must have swung past it, came through to here, hit some trees just here, and hung a Yui to sort of go back to where the camera is. And then heard this signal, which is quite audible, so doesn't sound too bad. So I'm hoping it's not a hot rock. Yeah, I've broken it up and it sounds a bit everywhere. Yeah. We'll balance it on the hot rock. Balance on it. It's gone. It's taken out every other hot rock with it. There you go. Hot rock. Alrighty guys, welcome back. I have a little target here. So I haven't scraped anything off this one yet. It's still how I found it, so don't know if it's hot rock or anything. Sounds pretty loud for hot rock, but I had a bit of hot rock earlier and it was loud as so. Doesn't sound too bad now. I think it's actually, it is another little ball of gold. There you go guys. It is another tiny little round ball. See that there? Hopefully focused on it pretty well. But yeah, no, it's tiny. But yeah, there you go. That's the second little tiny round ball of gold today. Kill. Alright, it's 3 for the day. How cool is that? I just popped on the other side of the road. I was working the high side of the road. Now I just sort of popped over to the low side. And that was it. Well guys, that's it for another episode of Pete's Gold Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it again. It's a good day. End up with a 3, 2 little tiny balls and a little tiny specie. Won't weigh much, won't get rich, but who cares? It's all about getting out in the Victorian bush and having a bit of a run around. Yeah, had a friend of a friend, work colleague basically, I suppose. One of the subscribers, Shane, pop out and have a bit of a swing with us for a couple of hours. Just sort of, he's a bit new to the detecting thing, so yeah, he's sort of popped out for a little bit of a in the field, see how basically I suppose I do things, and yeah, trying to learn a bit to help himself find some more gold in the future. So hopefully he enjoyed himself. But yeah, until next time, yeah, like, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.